Welcome back, everybody. It seems like it has been forever since I've been here doing a video in person with you. We've just come back from Universal Studios where I did a bunch of videos on scare zones and whatnot. So I was sad to finally have to leave Halloween Horror Nights. It's like my happy place, but I was very happy to come home to find this mystery box. This is actually something that was sent to me by one of my longtime subscriber friends. His name is Keith from Indiana. He runs a YouTube channel as well now, and his channel is called Cobwebs and Candlesticks. And I'll be sure to put a link to that in the description below, so make sure you check out his channel. He does some awesome Halloween DIYs, and he's an amazingly talented man. So is his family. In fact, his daughter painted me this sort of skull wreath that I have here last year and sent that to me along with some other goodies. So I'm very excited to open this box and see what's inside, and I wanted to share that experience with you. So it seems very well taped. Let me go ahead and try and get this thing open for us. All right, I have it open, and it seems to be stuffed full of stuff, but I do see a card which I have sliced right through. It says Michael and Tom, and it is something that is sealed with an awesome little R seal for his last name, which I'm not going to say. But it's no candy bar, but it's still sweet, is what it says on the envelope. And it is a cute little munchkin man with a little jack-o'-lantern on a stick and a haunted house in the background. And it says, I've done the great Halloween purge. I hope these items will help your pirate theme haunt this year. Happy Halloween to Tom and yourself. Your friend, Keith and Family 2019. So thank you very much, Keith and Family. I used a lot of those props you sent me last year in my haunt. In fact, I think I used everything. But you sent me some fun pirate stuff last year too. That was very helpful. All right, so let's see. What have we got going on here? We have a piece of styrofoam. I don't think that's right. All right, lots of newspaper. More styrofoam blocks. Actually, you know what these are good for? Is you can use them as bases for those cheaper tombstones, little styrofoam tombstones, and then it looks like it's got a big substantial like granite base. I use that to bulk up my cheap dollar store stuff. All right, so let's see. Oh, it's all so well packed in here. Don't know what to pull out first. Okay, so we have this lighted skull for the window. That's pretty cool. We have I think I've got an extension cord here. Let's take it out of the box. Long cord, that's great. Okay, here we go. Oh, whoops. That's not the extension cord. That's the extension cord. Now the question is, do you put the lights facing out, or do you put the plastic part facing out? I think you put the lights facing out, right? Because it's a little harder to see those like red eyeballs on the other side. But anyway, he's kind of fun. All right. Just put him over here. Trying to think in my mind, I should be talking, but I'm thinking like, where am I going to put that? I think I've got a good idea in my garage. We'll see. Stay tuned for my Halloween walkthroughs. Okay, here we have a heavy bag. Let's see. Rip it open. I think really Keith was just trying to clean out his garage from lots of old foam that he had. All right. Oh wow, this looks awesome. I'll be careful taking this out. Look at that. Wow. That is so cool. It is a pirate. He's got like maggots crawling out of his eyes. That's like a legit prop. That's pretty cool. He's got like vampire fang type teeth. These maggots are all over the place. That's disgusting. Is that a maggot or some sort of like mealworm? I don't know. Worm. It's just a worm. Worms and maggots. That is so cool. And it does something. There isn't an on-off switch. It might be broken. It doesn't look like there is an on-off switch, but there's a place for an on-off switch. Regardless, that, oh my god, I cannot wait to figure out where I'm going to put this guy in my haunt. Look at this fun little hat too. Wow. That is so perfect for my pirate theme. I am in love with this guy. So cool. Sorry to interrupt the video, everybody. This is Future Mike, and I have an update to the skull. As I was picking things up off the floor, because, spoiler alert, I dropped the box, I found this plug, which I didn't see the first time around. And the only thing that seems to have a plug to go with it is the skull. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Now, there is no on and off switch availability, but there is a switch on here. So I'm assuming that's what's going to turn it on, if it doesn't turn on automatically, but it does. All right, so we do have a switch though. Turns off, turns on, and it lights up our skull head. He does have, I don't know how easy it is to see in there, but you know, there are lights that come throughout the entire hat and his face. Oh wow, he's changing color a little bit. Oh, I can kind of see a little bit of movement there, but I think that's because like he's got this fiber optic hair and it's changing color. Oh wow, I couldn't see that really there at the beginning, but it looks like his whole face does change colors. That is so cool. Wow. Although honestly, I think I prefer it without the lights. I'm not sure. I think without the lights it looks a little bit more decayed and realistic, but the lights make it kind of fun. So I love that we have options. I'm going to have to really think about what to do with them. But it's kind of hard to get past this awesomeness. So we'll see. Anyway, just wanted to give you that quick update. I will return you to the video already in progress. All right. What else have we got here? Foam. Foam. All right. Another bag. Let's see what this is. Beware of things that go bump in the night. With a skull. Well, I guess it says, is it a waving skeleton? Hello. That's cool. I love my signs. I like keep them all over the place. So that's going to be very easy to find a place for. What is this thing? I hope that wasn't breakable. Beware ye who enter here. Wow. Wonder where he got this. That is so cool. I mean, like, this is not like anything I see in the stores. So, I mean, I don't even know where he could have gotten this, but I know exactly where I'm going to put it, because just yesterday, day before yesterday, I bought a skull and crossbones set from Target to hang over my garage door. It was like 12 bucks. This is totally taking the place of that piece of garbage. This thing is so much more awesome. Wow, it's very three-dimensional. See that? Wow, that is so cool. Look at these guys together. Keith is taking my haunt up to the next level. I'm rather embarrassed for myself now. Okay, hold on. Let me get this other thing out of the box. Thankfully, there was still lots of foam padding. Go ahead and put this box over here. More foam. And it feels like a skull. It is a skull. Ooh, spooky. He's a wall hanging. Doesn't look like he does anything. But one thing I've always wanted to do that this would be perfect for, although it feels very heavy, so I don't know, is I've seen like people will make those out of PVC. It looks like a giant skeleton like hanging on your roof, and you see his head peeking out over the roof, and he's got his little hands sticking out. That would be perfect for this. I've always wanted to do it. Now I've got a reason to. Not sure if I have time to do that this season, but it's definitely going to be on my list. So until then, I'll have to find some awesome place to stick this guy. kids are going to be so afraid of this stuff. I cannot wait. I love scaring small children. But I do believe that was it. I think. So, wow. I am blown away. This stuff is so cool. It's going to go perfect with my skeleton pirate theme. So I want to give a big shout out again to Keith, whose YouTube channel, Cobwebs and Candlesticks. Make sure you check it out. Let him know I sent you. Be sure to subscribe. Can't speak. Be sure to subscribe to his channel because he does cool stuff. Obviously, he has the best of taste. So that'll do it for me for today. Thank you again, Keith, and thanks all of you for watching and sticking with us all. Until next time, guys, take care and happy haunting.
Yo ho ho!